Hello, it's Nigby. Just show you a couple of interesting locks. Now, very obviously Yale's. So what's so interesting about a Yale Nigby? Well, I've got two of them. Both of them haven't got a key. But what I do have is a Mul T Lock Garrison 7x7. So you can see the logo on the key there. Very interestingly, well, to me, obviously it doesn't turn, but that fits perfectly in there. If you have a look at those keyways, at the warding, near enough identical. So what these are, I got these locks from Israel, and I'm reliably told that they are a rebranded Yale Garrison 7x7 by Mul T Lock. So I'm going to pick, well, I'll pick this one that I've got in my hands. The two of them do pick very differently, but yeah, I'm going to chuck this one in the vise, pick it and gut it and show it inside. If you've seen inside a 7x7 before, hopefully the pins and everything will look very familiar to you. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this in the vise and get it picked and gutted. Okay, got the Yale dimple in the vise. Let's see how we get on with it. Reasonably heavy tension for this. Okay, once again using the smallest number 7 multi-pick flag, and slide down, looking for binding pins, one right down at the back. Okay, nice click from that. It's number 6. 5 into a full set. Ease off the pressure. Okay, managed to get underneath there now. The counter rotation. Okay, full set is back. Yeah, that's pin 1. Okay, drop something there. And we're open. Okay. This is my least favourite tool, but okay, sorry about this. It's going to be an obviously a circlet battle. Okay, let's bring the tools in. Slide that shim in there. and just dump out these key pins. Two. 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one, number 7. Okay. Look at that core. Nothing special really going on there. Okay, and one's a spool. Oh, forgot to take the shim out. Number 2's a spool. The spool in 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and just unpull those springs out. Very reluctant to come out. Okay, and just arrange those for you. Okay, and look down there, nothing special going on. And there's a close-up of those pins. So we've got all standard drivers, apart from, what's that, number 5, which is a torpedo. Doesn't really affect the picking an awful lot unless you get it wrong and overset that. And then got that keeping the wrong way around as well. Some nice spools in everything except 6, which is why that was the one that needed setting first. And then it was just a case of playing with the counter rotation all the way through to pick the rest. Picks very, very similar to a Garrison 7x7. So I don't know whether it is a rebranded Mul T Lock or not. Be interested to hear what people think. But there you go. That's my Yale 7-pin dimple. Thanks for watching.